This is the ticket counter, and there are different options. You can book for bike also, bicycle also, or rickshaw is also available. And if you are carrying the big cameras for filming, then you may need to pay extra for the cameras. Finally, we have decided to hire a rickshaw, now entering inside the park. This park, Keuladev National Park or Keuladev Gono National Park, was popularly known as Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary earlier. This is situated in Bharatpur, Rajasthan, India. So, this park covers 29 square kilometers and locally known as Gono. This park is the habitat and home to 366 bird species, 379 floral species, 50 species of fish, 13 species of snakes, 5 species of lizards, 7 amphibian species, 7 turtle species, and a variety of invertebrates. Every year, thousands of migratory waterfowl visit the park for wintering and breeding. The sanctuary was created 250 years ago and is named after a Keuladev Shiva temple within its boundaries. This is Salim Ali Visitors Interpretation Center. This interpretation center is named after one Indian ornithologist and naturalist, shortly known as Salim Ali, which full name was Salim Moizuddin Abdul Ali, who was born in 1896 November 12 and died in 1987 20 June. So this great person is the first Indian ornithologist who conducted systematic bird surveys across India and wrote several bird books that popularized ornithology in India. He is the key figure to gain government support in creating Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary, now known as Keuladev National Park. He was awarded Bhatma Bhushan in 1958 and also the Padma Vibhushan in 1976, India's third and second highest civilian honors. This park is Asia's one of the best bird watching sites, receives more than 1 lakh visitors per year. The range of visitors varies from very serious bird watchers to school children. So among the visitors, more than 45,000 are foreign tourists. In addition, the location of the park is very suitable for the visitors because the tourists visiting Agra, Fatehpur Sikri and Jaipur can stop over at Bharatpur easily. The park was a hunting ground for the Maharajas of Bharatpur. They had a tradition which dates back to 1850. Dark shoots were organized yearly in honor of the British viceroys. The last big shoot was held in 1964, but the Maharaja retained shooting rights until 1972. In 1985, the park was declared a World Heritage Site under the World Heritage Convention. Coming here, how much the integration? Yes.
I'm very very excited to see this bird sanctuary because Salim Ali is one of the texts we are teaching in our colleges. Yeah, we have been learning. So Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary, nearly 2,000 acres most probably, around 235 species of different kind of birds. So really Salim Ali done a research of 52 years here in this area. So all these years we had just thought an imaginary things of the sanctuary, something like that, birds or something. But I seeing all these practically here, really it's beautiful. Text, yeah. The personal experience is entirely different from the text. So that's why I'm so excited. Yeah. But yes, we have to, for the younger generation, we have to give these kind of things to encourage to come and visit all these sanctuaries and instead of going multiplexes and the other, to encourage the students to visit.